Alright, today we have a watch that I traded for. I traded my Chrono Fixé Flight 1952 that I received from Watch Gang as part of the Extravaganza event for Easter. I didn't care for that watch, so I traded it off for this to a fella I met on Reddit in Georgia, and we made a trade. Well packaged. Spinnaker, A Life Belief Beyond and Beside the Sea. What if that doesn't get it? Alright, let's get into it. And that light does not want to continue to run. Alright, mad shadow there, but that's alright. Alright, so this is a Spinnaker Fluess. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to pronounce that word. In Lagoon Green. Apparently, the bezel is glass, which I didn't realize looking at the pictures, but it looks pretty cool. It has a NH35 with a kind of cool decorated rotor on there. Stainless steel case. It's a 43 millimeter diameter, 13 millimeters thick. Sapphire lens. I'm not certain about the back. It's a unidirectional bezel. 22 millimeter strap in leather, which I like a lot. I actually didn't really look at the strap when we were talking about this trade, so I didn't realize this watch would come on a strap. And it's water resistant to 150 meters. I might have to get some good shots of that, but I like this. I'm into this watch. Thank you, Don. That stippled look to the dial looks so cool. The bezel is under like a glass ring, which looks sweet. Exhibition case back. It's an NH35. It says NH35 TMI. I'm not sure what the TMI means, but it's an NH35 Seiko movement. Cool looking decoration on the rotor. Water resistant leather, but the strap does have a little bit of a damage that looks like it was something that would have occurred in like not quite in shipping, but like while it was sitting in a warehouse or something, just from the buckle looks like it was like too tight on the watch as it was setting for a while. Like kind of an impression of the buckle. It's pretty hard to see on here. Let's get up close on that dial and see what it looks like up close.